Sony celebrates 500 million units sold throughout the life of PlayStation, PlayStation 2, 3, 4, Portable, Vita and PlayStation VR, with a special edition of PlayStation 4 Pro. It is spectacular. Only 50,000 will be produced. The casing is translucent dark blue and houses a PlayStation 4 Pro with a 2TB hard drive. Sony says that when the console's power light is on, its insides are visible through the casing. Each unit has a limited edition number engraved on a copper commemorative plaque affixed to the front. The special edition console also comes with a vertical stand and a combined color PlayStation with support. The DualShock 4 controller that is included with the console will also be sold separately. The console package will run $499. The driver will cost $64.99. There is also a wireless headset with the same design that will be available for $99.99. The console is available for pre-orders starting August 24, and headphones will go on sale in North America in early September.